everyone, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Today I am filming this introduction video on a separate day from when I did film that video, so that's why I'm wearing a different outfit. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I shared all of my favorites, all of the stuff that I do use on a regular basis, if not every day. So thank you guys so much for watching, and let's go. The first item is this Wet n Wild blush in the color Mellow Wine. And this is a classic that I love so much. And I love this blush so much that I have repurchased this countless times in the past. And the reason why I love this blush is because it's the perfect color for fall. It has like a peachy undertone. It's not like a true harsh wine berry color that's gonna, you know, like mark your face. Because honestly, you don't need that in the fall, especially when it's cool. Your cheeks should rose up by itself, but this just adds a very nice hint of that berry undertone that we do want for fall. So that's the reason why I like this, and that is the color. So I do recommend this one a lot. The next favorite is this Naked palette by Urban Decay. This is the Heat palette, and it has beautiful colors. So if I had to choose one palette to use the whole season, it would be this palette, the Heat palette. And the reason why is because it has basically all the colors that you would use for fall. So they have the basic mattes, the nudes, they have some pinkish rose gold, and the berry undertones. Also, if you want to use some of those browns, so they do come in here, and I love these colors, and I use this on a regular basis, so I really do recommend these. And of course, they have a wonderful color payoff, so I recommend this. My next favorite that I'm going to share with you guys is this Naked 3 palette. This was a gift a long time ago, but I still love using this. So the Naked 3 palette, I would say, is more of a kind of like some colors you can easily play around with. They're not very harsh. So you get these nice pink eyeshadows, some shimmer here, and you get the cooler tones down here. So it's much cooler palette than the Urban Decay Heat palette. So perfect for fall, especially with like a shirt like with what I'm wearing. So get yourself this if you're looking for a nice easy palette to play around with. The last eyeshadow palette that I will be sharing is this Naked Cherry palette by Urban Decay. Naked Cherry palette has perfect colors that you can use, especially those wine, those pink, those reddish eyeshadows. So this is what that looks like. So I like to use this palette with the Naked 3 because I think the eyeshadows in both these palettes play along together really nicely. So I am wearing this today on my eyes. So I kind of like using these 3 colors. Well, this is a shimmer one. These 2 colors right here in my crease to blend out any other more stronger colors that I use on the outer part of my eyes. And I do have this Devilish here in my outer part of my eyelid, and I did blend some out here. So this next item is a mascara in the color Burgundy. You wouldn't think of buying this, but it's really pretty. So some people may say, why would you want a burgundy color mascara? That's kind of weird. That wouldn't look nice. I do not use these on my top eyelashes. I only use them on the bottom eyelashes. So instead of that black, when I am doing an eye look for fall like this, and I do have some of that berry eyeshadow on the bottom, I like applying this because it gives you more of that berry burgundy emphasis, and it looks really nice. And it's not like really like boom in your face, but it's like a subtle way of adding more of that color. My first lip favorite is this Bite lipstick in the color Chai. So this lipstick is that like deep rich wine, close to like brown, and it does have that berry undertone, so that's basically like what I want for fall. So I am wearing this on my lips right now. I'll reapply it, and I just love how that looks. The next lip product is also Bite Beauty. This is a lip crayon in the color Glaze, and it is a matte cream finish. So this lip crayon in Glaze, it is matte. Yeah, it is matte. So I have used this quite a lot now that fall has hit. So you see how the Chai has more of that pink undertone. This one is more on the cooler tone. So it goes great with the fall looks. The next product is this Marc Jacobs lip cream lipstick in Kiss Kiss Bang Bang. This Marc Jacobs in Kiss Kiss Bang Bang, I'm almost out of it. You see I only have that much left. So in comparison to the other ones, this is how that looks. That's more pink, more of a pinkish lipstick in comparison to the other ones, but it's still not that like hot pink that you would use in the summer. So it's more of a subtle, if you are kind of like scared to use more of those brown, but you still want like those pinks, I like this one for fall. The next lip product is this Stila Stay All Day Look Good lipstick in the color Patina or Patina, however you pronounce that. This next product is from Stila, and it's also a pinkish color with some of that blue undertone. So it's kind of like a crooked swatch, but it does look like this one, the glazed one from Lip Bite. But if you want a liquid form, that is how it looks. I love this color. The next lip product is the Stila Stay All Day Look Good lipstick in the color Vino, and it matches my red truck in the background. So this Vino liquid lipstick from Stila as well, the same line. I'm gonna swatch this on my arm. So this one is very rich in color, so it does have a very strong color payoff. So if you do wanna let's say layer it up, it can look as a brown, but it's a really nice wine burgundy color, kind of with like those purplish undertones. I love this for a night look in the fall time. My next favorite product is this nail polish by OPI in the color Guru Guru Two Shoes. This is the nail polish I am wearing on my nails right now. So I love wearing this throughout the fall. It is a mute blush pink, and it does have a slight shimmer sheen in it, but you can't really tell. So this is really nice. As you can tell, I like these tones of colors for the fall. The next nail polish perfect for fall is this OPI nail polish in Barefoot in Barcelona. The next nail polish, Barefoot in Barcelona, it is a classic. So in comparison with this Guru Guru Two Shoes that I showed before, it's more of that nude color that you would like to use. The last nude nail polish I will be sharing is this OPI nail polish called Dulce de Leche. The next one is Dulce de Leche. I love the name Dulce de Leche. So this is Barefoot in Barcelona. along this one. They are very similar, but this one does have more of that pinkish undertone in compared to this one. So side by side, this one looks more like a very, very muted brown. My next favorite is another nail polish by OPI, and this one is in the color Don't Mess With OPI. So this nail polish by OPI is a perfect transition color. So from the summer, more of that neon green, to your more army, no, I wouldn't say army green. It's more of that like pine green that you use in Christmas, winter time. So this one is like right in between, and I love this color. On camera, it looks more of like a bluish turquoise, but it's not. So this one is my favorite to use in the fall time. This next nail polish is by LA Colors in the color Hot Blooded number 406. So this is a more affordable nail polish. They do sell these in Dollar Tree if you are wondering. So this is that true dark red. That's how I would explain it. It's a beautiful color for the fall time, and these are very affordable, like I said. So I do love applying this for the fall time. And my last nail polish favorite for fall is this nail polish by Essie in the color Carry On, and it also has this number 884. This is the last nail polish that I'm going to be sharing, and this Carry On nail polish by Essie is a dark purple nail polish. And if you do apply 2-3 coats of this, which we probably will have to, it does look like a black. So I did use this during the month of October just because it plays along well with you know, Halloween. So if you're looking for more of a darker color, then I would recommend this one. And my next favorite is this Yes to Cotton Comforting Mud Mask. So here in Pennsylvania, it has gotten cooler for fall. I mean, it does go up in the temperature, but then it drops during the nighttime. So my skin starts getting a little more dry, especially because of the heater that's on in the house. So I like using these masks. This is the Yes to Cotton Comforting Mud Mask, and it protects and minimizes irritation. It says yes to having a soft spot for cotton extract and cottonseed oil that helps prevent irritation while gently nourishing, softening, and refreshing delicate skin. So I do recommend a mask like this that hydrates your skin, and like it says, it minimizes irritation, so which is prone to happen because of the heater. You know, it dries up the air in the house. So I recommend this. And as the temperature decreases, you need a good lotion. This one is Dr. Teal's body lotion in milk and honey. So for moisturizer, I love using this Dr. Teal's moisturizer in milk and honey. It does have a nice scent. It's not very perfumey, like it doesn't make my head hurt, because I know some people don't like those very like strong perfume scents. This is paraben free. They do have different types of moisturizers in the aspect of like what they do or the scent. So this is the one I like using, and I put this all over my body and my feet, and they are really soft because of this. So if you are looking for a moisturizer, I will recommend this one. Okay, sorry if you hear a vacuum in the background, but my last two fall favorites are these cleaning products by Mrs. Meyer's. I love how these smell, especially the fall edition. So when fall hits the stores, I get really excited because I can finally find these products, and I do buy these products at Target if you are wondering. So I'm currently using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray in the apple cider scent, and the mom scent for dish soap. I will also use the acorn scent, but my husband doesn't really like that smell. So I purchased these, and they do have the hand soap as well. So I love how those make my house smell for the fall time, and I get really excited when the fall stuff does come in these stores, because I know I can find those. So the last thing I will be sharing with you guys, and my last favorite, is gonna be this hat that I got at Walmart. It is a light brown tan color, and I like wearing this right now because I haven't done my retouch since I do it in New York. But anyway, so this is how that looks. They do have this in different colors, but I chose this one, and I love how it goes with my hair color and my highlights. So you probably can still find this in stores, or you could order it online, but I wouldn't necessarily wear it with this shirt, but I just love how this looks on me. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and don't forget to like this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.